Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm watching my figure so my TikTok dance videos get more likes. Make something low carb that is also an inflation buster.
All right, let's make a low carb chicken taco casserole. Today, we're making a simple chicken taco casserole. It's another installment in our Inflation Sucks series. You can make it to feed at least 4 people for under 20 bucks. It's easy. Most of the stuff you need, you probably have or can easily pick up for, like I said, pretty cheap. If you guys like chicken tacos, this is kind of like chicken tacos, but you just throw it all in a dish and bake it, and it's so much easier. Feed your whole family, feed whoever you want, or bring it to a potluck, whatever you need to do with it. That's what we're gonna do today. So hey, without further ado, chicken taco casserole, let's go. Look, you can use taco seasoning from a packet. It's convenient, it's not bad, but it's got a lot of fillers in it. So here's a way you can make your own taco seasoning. You can make a bunch at one time and just store it, and then have your own taco seasoning. You can customize the flavor, make it as hot or as mild as you want, and just have a better product with better ingredients. So that being said, start with the vessel of your choice. We put in 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using Chipotle chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon Mexican oregano, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and then some cayenne and some red pepper flakes to taste. You do you. And we just sort of mix this up, and there we have your own personalized taco seasoning. So now that our taco seasoning is made, we can start our low carb taco casserole. So first thing we do is in a bowl, we add 1 can of drained black beans. We would add 1 onion diced to this. I'm gonna leave that out because of Nash, 1 diced red bell, and a few diced jalapenos. And my strange dog loves spicy stuff, and so do I. Just kind of combine all this and set it aside. So then to another bowl, we add about 4 cups of shredded chicken here. This is chicken thighs I cooked in the slow cooker until they were shreddable. You could do the same, or this is another great recipe where you could use just a rotisserie chicken that you bought, just kind of shred that up, and then 1 rotisserie chicken costs you, shoot, they used to be like $5. I think they're probably closer to 10 nowadays, but still, 1 chicken probably gets you enough to make a few of these recipes. So these guys have been in the fridge, so let's just kind of break these up a little bit. And then we add 8 ounces or a cup of sour cream. Of course, it doesn't want to come out. The juice of a lime. And then if you're using taco seasoning from a packet, you can use 1/2 to 1 whole packet, or a whole packet is usually about 1 ounce. So if you're using the taco seasoning we made from scratch, 2 tablespoons equals 1 ounce. So use 1 to 2 tablespoons of that taco seasoning here, and a can of drained diced tomatoes. Of course, if you wanted to dice some fresh tomatoes, go for it. Then we're just gonna mix this all together. And we set this aside. In a greased casserole dish, we go ahead and pour our little veggie bean mixture, because beans aren't veggies. What, they're legumes, right? I think so. Spread this out. Nash, what the are you doing? What the are you doing, buddy? You psycho. All right, cool. And then we put our chicken mixture over the top of this. Then you let your dog lick the bowl clean. It's like a pre-rinse cycle. And then we top this with grated or shredded cheese of your choice. And then for a finishing touch, we put green onions over 3/4 of it. If you're not feeding this to your dog, go ahead and put green onions over all of it. There we go. Now we pop this in our oven at 350 for 30 minutes. All right, so I forgot to film the whole cutting the piece, but here we have our low carb, maybe the first kind of healthy one. I mean, if you're on keto or paleo or something, the first healthy inflation buster meal that we've made. So hey, here is our low carb taco casserole. Time for a bite. Cheers. The chicken is amazing. We got the peppers, we got the spice. If I didn't have Nash, we'd have the onions, so you should have the onions. And then we got the cheese. We don't need any carbs. We don't need rice, tortillas. This is an awesome, delicious freaking casserole with very little carbs. So good, so good. Highly recommend, especially if you're trying to be kind of healthy and you're looking at more of a keto, kind of paleo kind of thing. This is an awesome casserole to make. So throw this into your rotation, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, check this out. We got at this little low carb taco casserole, just like you requested. What do you think, bud?
Mmm, delicious and low carb. Just the fuel I need to crush my TikTok dance videos.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Character is like pregnancy. It cannot be hidden forever.
Can't disagree, buddy. Nash approves, I approve. Look, this might be the first kind of healthy inflation buster made. I mean, they all have their range, but this is definitely the healthiest. And it's free and delicious. So hey, throw this into your rotation. You can make it for you, make it for your family. It's also really good. So even I think kids would probably like it. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate you. And if you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out a lot. We'd really appreciate that. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that down here in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. But hey, regardless, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.